Nenek lampir yang tertawa ngelakak. Setan.
Hello my friend, what's up? So again with me, with Adrian, back again on my vlog, a tourism vlog. Now at this time, I'm at the Central Market at Ketapang Regency, was born here in Indonesia. Now at this time, I would like to see a guy that really a fantastic guy. His name is Pak Mohtar. So I've got an appointment with him to see directly to his business places with Pak Mohtar. He's such a entertaining and amazing guy with some or real animal sound, my friends. Check it out. Well, my friend, this is the view of Pasar Rangga Sentap or Rangga Sentap Market, my friend. This is the center of pieces or seafood that you can find around here. And here is the situation. Take a look at this situation of Rangga Sentap Market, my friend. Now, I've got an appointment. I want to see Mr. Mohtar directly on his business place because Pak Mohtar is a businessman. He is selling a meatball here, and I would like to see him directly. A man with such amazing real sound, real animal sound. Here we go, my friend. I'm going to see Pak Mohtar right now. Pak Mohtar,
Iya,
apa kabar Pak Mohtar?
baik.
Senang sekali Pak Mohtar, saya bisa secara langsung,
Iya.
dan saya bisa wawancara dengan Pak Mohtar. Boleh Pak ya.
Kene.
Well, my friend, he is the guy with the real animal sound. So he may or he can imitate or follow some of the animal. That he is such entertaining and amazing guy, my friend. And he's so honoris, right?
Oke, right.
Okay. Pak Mohtar bisa suara apa saja Pak di sini Pak?
Bermacam-macam. Suara anjing bisa,
Suara anjing bisa?
suara ayam bisa, suara burung bisa,
Iya.
suara kerbau bisa, suara
kerbau
sapi bisa.
Coba Bapak tirukan satu persatu Pak. Suara
Anjing
apa
dulu.
saja bisa Pak? Anjing dulu.
Apa?
Pak.
Punya apa? Anjing.
Anjing dulu. Iya Pak. Anjing mau ubin. Very real, my friend.
Anjing itu kena siram air panas.
Anjing kasih air panas. Seperti apa Pak?
Seperti apa itu? Siapa lu? Siram.
Oh my god. Really real.
Serigala.
Suara serigala. Wolf, ya. Now, Pak Mohtar at this time would like to follow or imitate the sounds of elephant. So, what kinds of sound of elephant? Here we go, check it out. Pak Mohtar suara gajah ya?
Yeah.
Oke, check it out. Seperti apa Pak Mohtar? This is my friends, the real elephant sound of Pak Mohtar is really amazing and such as entertaining, my friends. Well, if you like it video of Pak Mohtar, please don't don't forget to give me thumbs up, like, or share about the link on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for new videos and updates video notification of Pak Mohtar. Here we go. Next video of Pak Mohtar will be coming on this channel, on my channel. Okay, Pak Mohtar?
Okay.
Don't forget like,
Okay.
share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Next episode.
Yeah, will be continue. Okay? I'll see you then. Peace, my friend. Peace and cheers out.